The State Weather Bureau says Typhoon Karina further intensified as it moved further from the country's landmass. According to Pag-asa's 5 p.m. bulletin on Tuesday, July 23, signal number 2 is raised over Batanes, while 4 Luzon areas remain under signal number 1. Karina now carries maximum sustained winds of 150 kilometers per hour and gustiness of up to 185 kilometers per hour.
Our guest cook for tonight.
Tuwing dinuguan.
Wow, ang galing mo naman. Anong niluluto mo? Niluluto niya na. Nakapak na lang. Galing mo mga gamit. Yes, chef.
Yes, chef. Pero medyo sad siya. Wala lang, parang kasi syempre
Gusto ko i-insist na si Nicey ang nag-food styling nito. 29 na kayo? Yeah.
sige, natanda na. Ito. Ito yung alam mo, ito yung gusto mo.
Instagram.
Instagram. So it's a process dapat.
Totoo. Kita ba? Ayan, kita. Pakitaan mo kami yung chow ng yung spear. Jump! Jump! Wow! It's a wrap. Uy, may extra dun sa likod ah. Who that girl?
Look at me.
What's that?
Ako lang to, boy.
Kaan mo ko kasi.